No taste Martha. No taste good. Taste good? No taste good to me, brother. Welcome back to another video. You know it's Friday, so from it's Friday, you know it's time for lunch, it's time for lunch, it's time for lunch, it's lunchtime. Yes, guys. So remember, guys, if you're new, please like, share, and subscribe. Smash the subscribe button, right? If you're a returning resident, welcome back, darling.
Oh,
Welcome.
and hit the bell.
Yes, hit the bell, guys. Just click the bell and go on all so you can get notification for everything that we post. Some persons are not getting notification, and that is why, because you have not subscribed to everything that we post. So go on, hit that bell and subscribe to everything that we post. So today, I honestly want to pick up the people from Canada. So if you come from Canada, please put it down in the comment section so we can really big on up proper, good and proper, right? Because you know, our YouTube actually tells us like the age group of the persons who are watching, where they're watching from, and stuff like that. So one of the things that we saw was that a lot of our viewers are from up there, up north. Hello, Canada. So I just wanted to pick up the people from Canada, yeah. And also YouTube to tell me say I be a female viewer as I have, but I put it up on my status on WhatsApp
Like one male viewer.
and they cuss me. Yeah, YouTube told me that most of our viewers are aged 24 to 50 and they are females. So I put it up on my status and like, guys, what am I not doing? Why can't I have any male viewers? And then the guys cuss me out. Them say them watch on YouTube or fight against them. So big up all of the guys them who have been watching our vlogs. We appreciate you. Alright, so without further ado, as we say, it's Friday, and from a Friday, you know, say food, you know, say eatings, you know, say it's Mukbang Fridays, you know, it's just eating on a Friday. Alright, so don't watch them machine where you see I'm here. Rajay is he's getting his treatment right now. Thanks be to God, he's not nauseous, so he'll be able to eat. Yeah. So we could dive in. What will happen today, Rajay?
Pizza from Cuba. Hey. Oh, we don't know that's where pizza from Cuba. Hey.
We can't make this up. We can't make this up, people. We can't make it up.
Hey. Aruba.
It's not Aruba, we're in Cuba. Alright, so guys, so we're having pizza. We're having a nice cheese pizza.
Cheese. Wow.
Me do my ear. When this is me do my ear. Sure. I'm not proud of me. Oh my God.
They did not slice it.
They don't slice their pizza, yo. It's just.
So then do that fold it up and then just eat like on taco?
Guess so. Yes, guys.
It smells so good. Oh, and also we have our Hollandia Malta. It was brewed in Holland.
Oh my God. Oh no. Oh, that smell, yeah. Oh.
It's one of the best things I've ever
The
smelled.
smell. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god, yo. Oh my god. I'm sorry we can't go on our table because as I said, Raja is getting treatment, so we have to like be here. Right? So I'm gonna try if we can put it back right here, so yeah. But as I say, it can't slice, come slice. It just is a whole pie. I guess we're gonna have to tear it or something because it just comes as a whole pie. The crust is really soft though. Oh my god. But you know, so me like take it first back before me do it.
No, let me take it first.
No, maybe take it first back.
Why?
In case something wrong.
What not go wrong?
No, I just some feeling. That's what my mother used to do with, mothers, don't you do that? You take the first bite, you take the first drink before you get a child.
This is good.
Whether you like pizza, so you think pizza good. Guys, this is gluten free, but it's nice. Gluten free pizza. One problem I have because you have to tear it. Second problem I have, can I see bun on the edge. I really like the bun part as well. But it's nice though. What's a bun, what's it? Bun and drop off. Johnny, tell the sugar like crust like that. Oh my god. This is a waste of pizza, you know? This is a waste. You know what, no? Me eating this pizza while I'm good with somebody. Tomorrow I have to go run 2 miles. This pizza is heaven though. Trust me. Oh, so this is a non-alcoholic malt.
Like all malters.
It tastes very malty though. It tastes malty. It tastes good. Tastes good? It tastes good to me, brother. It's not a next slice, you have to say a next tier.
A next tier, please.
My god. 52 days to summer. We can't go take no more. Come now, come stomach by the next, do you know? Aside from the bun up edges, I edge them bun up, but aside from nothing nice. It's really bad though. Oh my god. Yeah, the taste level living in my stomach. Malt and nice. You enjoy your lunch? Family, what I'm having for lunch today? Well, last week, when I go and have my comment section, people are having fish, people are having tofu and stew and man. Last week the comment section did buzzy bad. What I'm having today? Make sure you don't put in the comment section. Because you know me I live through it. That tastes bad, but me I drinking, you know, so me no waste stuff. Me if I go eat, I don't something. Cause me no waste things. Because I burn up hot card. Burn up hot bitter. Enjoy your lunch? Eat up here, Papa. I don't know. I'm very full, you know? One tier meat, I'm really full. Nice though. I'm tier. Just like right there.
That's what I imagine. Soda. Malta.
Oh, just a burp. So the gas. Wow. Today nice. Yep. Pizza. It rate up at top the like what the thing they did rate what last week. I make crave to get the best of me and take another tier. Pizza rate up at top like what the burger did rate last week, don't you? I give pizza a 9, I not give it a 10 because it burn up edge them. Burn up edge them really get to me. I don't like it. I don't like the fact that edge them burn up. And the fact that you slice and you have to tear it. Oh my God. Go, that's how you must eat it, man. Watch it. See? Don't waste the crust. Excuse me. Again, guys, remember to subscribe to our channel. Help us get to 5,000 subscribers. I'm working on a lot of new things that I would want to do, but you know, I can't do a lot of things because I'm here. So when we get home, there's gonna be a lot more to come. Trust me, I'm using this downtime productively. So I can't wait for you to see what I have in store for you guys. So please continue to share our videos, continue to watch. I mean, I beg you to please watch the ads them. People, watch the ads them. I beg you to watch the ads them, people. I need you to watch the ads them. I need you to share. And all the people that where I come from, where just join because we realized we have like 8 new subscribers since last week. Yeah, so we have 8 new subscribers since last week. But just want to tell you to say thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me, and we really appreciate you guys joining the family. Also, you want some water? Also, for the persons who like they were really like encouraging me after Monday's video. Yo, my son, my respect on us till we just happy for the little family that we have created here on YouTube. You know, this was never my idea to create a channel, it was his idea, but now me get full of it. Me really get full of it, and so yeah, thank you guys. We have a lot of persons down in the comment section who did really pour out and support me, and they were like giving me a lot of good advice and stuff like this. I just want to big on up again. Yeah, yep, big on up again. Oh, my belly is so full. Want to bite up a man? You know, say I ain't for your bite no journey. Me see your face, you know. Me see your face, you do want another bite.
Vanessa, can I get the next tier, please?
No, you cannot overeat. Yeah. So I absolutely forgot to tell you guys that there's no Pizza Hut and Domino's and stuff over here, right? There's no Pizza Hut, Domino's and them something over here. So the best place to get pizza is Mimosa. So this is the Mimosa pizza. The Mimosa. Ooh, you see that cheese? You see that cheese nice and gooey? Lord, a murder. Cheesy goodness.
Come sa taliman, talimibana.
Daylight come on, me want go home. Me said it, yo. Daylight come on, me want go home.
Say 1 foot, 2 foot, 6. We can't believe a legend to hear upon.
Hey, what did I never sing that song there? Ari Belfontaine. But I big true, you know.
Big up Ari.
Big up Ari. Big up Ari. Ari, big up yourself anyway you're there, Ari. Me said it, yo. Daylight come on, me want go home. So me feel right now, me want go home. Me car 6 foot, 7 foot, 8 foot bunch. Daylight come and me want go home. Yo, we have to go find it. We have to find it if you know what I words there. It's too bad, it's too bad.
A return of the Mac.
Oh my god. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video.
And just
remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. What are you having for lunch? What's for lunch? What's for lunch?
And the burgers are really tasty.
Alright, so guys, quick question. Not quick question, but let me go ahead and do our subscriber shout out. So this week's subscriber shout out, I am shouting out Latoya King and Melissa Kentish. We're shouting out Latoya King and Melissa Kentish. Thank you so much for the prayers, the words of encouragement. We really appreciate y'all. You know, it always feels good when persons can come together and pray for somebody not you know, really. Oh my god, Johnny Jan one more time and I want to video them. Thank you guys, big up to Uno. Thank you for the support and I really appreciate y'all. Johnny did one big up him Auntie Sash. Big up Auntie Sash, Sashana Clark Nelson. Yeah, thank you for watching all of our videos also and supporting. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Do not forget to watch those ads. We're counting on y'all. And please share.
And follow me on Fan Power, Super Flash 2019, and follow me on TikTok. You know what? Any TikTok. Follow me on TikTok at TheKing07. And you will see a picture of LeBron James with a bunch of cash.
Again, guys, thank you so much for
watching. And follow her on
Instagram.
Dreaming Goal _gold.
No. _dreaming goal _ and follow me on Facebook at Vanessa Williams. Thank you so much for watching, and again, big up on yourself. Have a good weekend. God bless y'all, and what good. All love.
Baby tip too. Last thing, baby tip. If you have a recent child born, make them watch Cocomelon. It is the hottest trend.
So if you have a child, make them watch Cocomelon. That is a 10-year-old telling you, giving you tips for your baby.
One of my recent cousins were born and is now watching Cocomelon.
How old is your cousin?
Like 3 months old.
Your cousin is not 3 months. Access is not 3 months. Hey, Antoinette, please make Access watch this. Shout out to baby Access. Access is not 3 months. Access will be 1 in September. Access is a big boy. Yep, Access is a big boy. Alright, big up on yourself. Again, we're gone this time for good. We're gone. Until Monday.
Salute.